Hello everyone, this is Vasishtha Bhatt, CAD engineer. I'm going to give you a demo on AutoCAD Electrical. So basically AutoCAD Electrical is a software for control designing. So it contains many features and benefits that enable users to dramatically increase their design efficiency. We can do single line diagrams, single phase, three phase circuits, etc. So it's a sort of extension of standard AutoCAD software which was used for architectural purposes. Okay, now this is GUI, which is also called graphical user interface. These are tabs: home tab, project tab, schematic tab, etc. And these are panels: draw panel, modify panel, annotation, etc. And these are tools: line tool, polyline, circle, arc, rectangle, move, copy, mirror, fillet, rectangular array, explode, etc. So this is the work area. I can pan the screen by pressing the scroll wheel, or I can just type PAN, enter. I can pan. Escape. Escape is for exiting any command. So I'll create a project now. How to create a project? I'll go to new project. I'll type a project name P1. You can type anything. Okay, properties. Now these are some options that we can tweak, but it is not advisable to tweak them without knowing about them or without any prerequisite knowledge. So these are some options. These are arrow styles, and this is wire crossing. When two wires cross each other, it forms a loop, or when two wires connect each other, they form a dot. We can change those into solid or gap. By default it will be loop, or this can be changed into angles also. By default it will be a dot. So these are ladder options, etc. Okay, so I created a project. Now I need to add the drawing. How do I add the drawing? Right click, new drawing. Now I'll write DW1, any name. I can give any name, so I'll just type DW1. Now I can just use a template or not. If we are a professional, I think it is good to use a template. So just to show you what is a template, I'll just select the template. I'll select this template, AutoCAD Electrical, open, and okay. So this drawing DW1 is created under P1. So this is a template. This is the place where I can write information about this project. I can add an image, or I can write the date or drawing number, sheet number, etc. Here I can add an image. So this is just to show what's a template. The drawing is drawn inside the template, by the way. So these are some examples. This is how drawing is drawn in AutoCAD Electrical. Now the main purpose of AutoCAD Electrical is to use electrical options, so that we get in schematic tab. So icon menu consists of components. So inserts a component you select from the icon menu. I can place any components like push buttons, fuses, relays, motor control, anything. I'll place a push button. See, okay, this is a push button now. I can place a 3-phase motor or a single phase motor. Okay, so this is a single phase motor, and I use wires to connect these switches or motors, etc. So again, to come out of any command, I should press escape. Wire again. Anywhere I press, it will by default take this point as the reference. So this is how this is just a basic idea how I create a circuit. Or I can just get ready-made circuits in a circuit builder. I'll select a single phase motor circuit, horizontal, insert. Okay, just place it. It takes some time to load all the components. By the way, these question marks can be changed into any numbers or any tags. Just by double clicking on those and typing any value. Okay, if I double click this, I can change the name. That's just an example. So this is single phase motor circuit. So in AutoCAD Electrical, I can create a circuit, and also I can audit those circuit. What do I mean by audit? Is checking the faults or mistakes in the circuits. So that can be done using in reports tab, DWG audit, active drawing. Yeah, okay, and it shows how many wires I have used. And electrical audit, this shows how many issues are there in my circuit. So there are 51 issues as of now. Details are shown here. All kinds of faults are present here. I can either choose to ignore them by selecting, or I can correct those intentionally. Close. So this software can be used to create a circuit and also audit them. So there's much more to this software than just creating circuit or auditing them. There is much variety of things that can be done here. So that's just for this session. Thank you.